The Grundomat piercing tool was designed for easy serviceability. It is constructed of four main components: the tool casing, the step cone assembly, the piston, and the control stud assembly. Each tool has a serial number located on the rear of the tool casing. You may need to refer to this number to order the correct parts for the tool. Read, understand, and observe all safety information and instructions in this video and the printed manual. For safety reasons, read the printed maintenance manual carefully and exercise caution while performing maintenance on the Grundomat piercing tool. Please note specific safety requirements as explained in the printed manual and called out in this video. This video is to be used in conjunction with the printed Grundomat maintenance manual. Before attempting any repair or maintenance, the Grundomat should be secured. A great deal of torque is required to loosen and remove the front and rear assemblies. TT Technologies has developed a special repair stand for the Grundomat, which not only supplies the required stability, but also provides excellent access to the tool during service. The repair stand is adaptable to any tool size. Contact TT Technologies for more information about the Grundomat repair stand.